It's a video about putting the transom seal on the gimbal housing. Seth taught me a trick to use Bellows adhesive on the gland that holds the gasket so that it will stay in place while you're waiting for it to be installed. So genuine Mercury Marine Parts and Accessories Quicksilver, the gasket, and it's a little bit too short by design probably to fit in the gland all the way around. It won't stay put, especially on the bends. So genuine Quicksilver Bellows adhesive, I'm going to apply it on both parts and then stick it together. So I'll align the thing with it. Especially the curves. Stuff dries really fast. Feels like plain old contact cement. It looks like it, feels like it, but this is such a important seal that I am not going to risk anything other than genuine Mercury stuff. Okay, that does it for the gland surface. Now I'm going to put it on this thing. It's the hard part, trying to decide what's going to be down. You don't really know. And the stuff dries really fast. It sticks to your gloves. This is a joined part, so I'm going to put the bonded joint at a straight section, so it's not inclined to pull apart. I'll let it dry for a while. I've got a bunch of rusty steel parts here to hold it down. Let's try that. Everything sticks to everything. There's the bond, so I'm going to try to put that over here, the straight section. Definitely want to wear gloves. This stuff sticks to everything. Put in your gloves. There. Man, that stuff's sticky. Some of these sharp turns, it doesn't want to stick as well as I'd like it. Probably should let it dry. Oh no, it peeled. It pulled the paint right off. Wow, this stuff's strong. I'll put a little bit, push it together, let it pull apart and dry, and then we'll stick it back together again. Same thing here, it pulled the paint right off. Man, it must be the solvent weakened everything. Everything else looks good. My angel here is here. And that is that.